Looking for your best deal on a brand new wig? I'm going to tell you how you can shop our website, WigStudio1.com, for some boutique bargain deals. Hi everyone, my name is Christy. If you're new here, I'm also known as Wiggin with Christy. I'm one of the reviewers here for the WigStudio1 team. Now, I'm going to talk to you about our boutique bargain wigs. This is a boutique bargain wig that I purchased. This is Belle Tress's Alpha Blend, and this is in the color Tres Leches Blonde. First, let me unpart it because I literally just put it on for the very first time. This is a left monofilament wig part, a left monofilament part. Now, let me tell you about the boutique bargains. They are where you can find your favorite styles from some of the manufacturers, and they're discontinuing the style or they're discontinuing certain colors. So we have those wigs in our hands at a highly discounted price for you. They're usually anywhere from 50 to 55% off, sometimes more if we're running a special, but they are discounted, brand new wigs. They just are no longer available as a regular color or a regular style with those manufacturers, and that's why we're able to offer it to you at a highly discounted price. So like I said, this is Alpha Blend by Belle Tress and Tres Leches Blonde. I purchased this with my own funds because I had never had the Tres Leches Blonde color, and I wanted to try it, always wanted it. I love the Alpha Blend style. I've had a few of them over the years, and I'm so glad I got it because it's no longer available. I looked on the website, and so I was like, glad I snagged this up. So like I said, if you go to our website at the very top, it will say Boutique Bargains. Click there, and then you'll see all the boutique bargains that we have. And like I said, some of them are styles that, yes, are still available, but they might be colors that are no longer being offered in that style, and that's why it's discounted. Let me show a few that are currently available on our website. And this is a popular Caliente in the color Cheyenne with Ginger Root. This first one is Belle Tress London in Coolest Ash Blonde. Again, I'm not crisscrossing these because these are brand new for our clients when they get them. This is Rosella in the color Chrome. This is Ground Theory and Chocolate with Caramel. Now, these styles can also be available in more than these colors. So if you like the style but not the color, go to our website, check the boutique bargains to see what colors these are available at that special price. All right, what did you think of this video? We hope that you enjoyed it, and take a look at the boutique bargain section. There's some major good deals over there, and I think you'll really love them. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the boutique bargains are final sale only, so they're not eligible for returns or exchanges as a normal style and color. So if you're looking for maybe an item that you want to have the possibility to return, then the boutique bargain section might not be for you. But if you know you like certain colors, certain styles, then Boutique Bargains is a great option for you to save some money on brand new wigs. Hope you have a great day. Bye.